Hello, Flated friends and family and fellow road trip lovers. Ken Hoeve with Flated, and today I'm going to take you through the very easy process of installing the air carrier on a vehicle with racks. Let's get started by first inflating the air carrier, and with that comes the valve check. Make sure that the valve is closed for inflation by turning it counterclockwise. You're going to know that it's closed by the little yellow valve being popped up. Once it's inflated, it's just a matter of minutes until it's installed and ready for use. For installation on a vehicle with racks, you will use the strap system that is built into your air carrier. Go ahead and undo both sides, loosening the straps from their buckle as well as the Velcroed storage area. The straps should be hanging freely from your air carrier. Now, just set the air carrier gently onto your racks. There is a front and a back to your air carrier, with the back being the side where the inflation valve is. To properly secure the air carrier, start on one side of your vehicle. Take the front strap, the one with the cam buckle, and wrap it around your crossbar, starting the wrap by going underneath the crossbar first, then wrapping it all the way around and finishing with the strap and the buckle facing toward the rear of the vehicle and the rear crossbar. Now, do the same thing with the rear strap on the same side, wrapping the strap around the bar, starting by going underneath first. Now it's time to connect them. Take the rear strap and feed it back through the guide within the neoprene Velcro closure. Then push the button on the cam buckle and feed the strap through the opposite side of where you are pushing it to open it. Then just grab the cam strap and pull it through. To get it as tight as possible, I like to walk to the back of the vehicle and pull the strap back toward me directly. Now just tuck the loose strap into the neoprene and Velcro enclosure and seal it up. All that's left to do is to repeat the same steps on the straps on the other side, and you're ready to go. For the best possible fit and the quietest ride, make sure that your air carrier is pushed back as far as possible so that the front crossbar of your roof rack butts right up against the point where the front part of the air carrier strap is mounted. This ensures that the air carrier can't bounce up and down. If you find that your air carrier does lift up at high speeds, it's because the front is either not completely wrapped around the crossbar or it's too far forward and that the slack in the strap is allowing it to bounce. It's a simple remedy. Push the box back and make sure that the strap is wrapped all the way around, going underneath first. We hope that you love the Flated air carrier as much as we do, and it opens up way more space for your future road trips. And as always, if you have any questions or comments with your products, feel free to give us a call. We're always here to answer, and we're super grateful that you got Flated.